Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to stop or how to fix C stage 1 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to stop fixing C stage 1 in your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method you can try and fix this issue. In this I will show you two methods. The first method is when you are trying to boot, it will ask or it will try to fix C stage 1. Then what you have to do, you have to just turn off your PC, then turn it on again. While booting you have to just continuously press F7 and F8 key. After continue pressing F7 and F8, your PC will be boot into safe mode, or you can directly go to the safe mode. After going to the safe mode, you can fix this issue. This was the method 1, and the second method is you have to just click on this search menu, then type here regedit, then click on this register. In this, what you have to do, you have to just double click and expand the local machine, HK local machine, then system, then current control set, then control. In this you need to find session manager. You can see here session manager. You have to just single click on that, come to the right side. Here you will find boot execute. You have to just double click on that. Here you have to type auto check space auto CHK space star, then click OK, then close this window. After doing this, just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can stop or fix C stage 1 error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.